Okay, so we pulled it's been about 2.5 hours and they've been lightly baking, but really they're dehydrating. And I'm just going to do a little swirl on top of each orange slice. This is for the fire cider kit and recipe. It's kind of cumbersome with my hand the way it is, wrapped up and holding the phone while I'm trying to do this with my left hand. I'm right-handed. So there we go. Just a little swirl. We're going to put it back in for 30 minutes to an hour until they're more crispy on top. Then we're going to flip them and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And these orange slices will be going in the fire cider kit that I make for myself, my kids, which they've done gotten used to a lot of worldly food, so I don't know if they'll be interested, but they get sick enough this winter, they'll take it. But this is awesome for colds, flus. My house smells like a freaking bakery right now. And so there we go. Just a little swirl on top. And they're close to being halfway dried out. We're going to pop them back in the oven. For, like I said, 30 minutes to an hour to go ahead and dry that honey up without scorching it. We'll flip them over. We'll apply the cinnamon, cook them for another 2.5 hours. Do a little honey on top of that for another 30 minutes to an hour. And maybe I'll just do a video when they're all done later this evening. I'm still uploading some herbs. And I think I'm going to do an interim video on black salt. All right, so this is volcanic ash black salt that I've gotten from my friend Paisley at Serendipity Hippie. And I've used quite a bit of it. I've ordered a whole entire huge container of it to sell. I've already got it uploaded on my website. This is my personal jar, and I have been using it to brush my teeth with. So you can make black salt with charcoal and salt. But since this has volcanic ash to it, the frequency and the energy in there is extremely high. So it's much more powerful, and because of the mineral content that comes from volcanic ash, it is a total different type of charcoal salt. So I've been brushing my teeth with it, and I think I'm going to do an interim video tomorrow morning on the difference in color that I'm seeing with my teeth and the things that I'm going through with, like, the positive benefits that I have been able to see from using it on my toothbrush. All right, so I'll show you this when I'm done. Y'all have a blessed evening.